अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे आज़रबाईजान, जहां वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ मीडिया ब्रीफिंग करें।
Our ambassador here and our delegation from Azerbaijan is coming to Pakistan, inshallah, in April. So we can do this homework in the meantime, and we can then sign agreements. We have a lot of skills available, but with your experience, with your knowledge and expertise, we will be very happy to establish the first of its kind in Islamabad. It will be a great, milestone we will achieve in our mutual cooperation.
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का बाकू में आसान खिदमत मरकज़ का दौरा। वज़ीर आज़म को प्रॉपर ब्रीफ किया गया। वज़ीर आज़म को आसान खिदमत मरकज़ में दी जाने वाली सहूलियात से मुताल्लिक ब्रीफिंग दी गई।
Foresight and his dynamism, and this Asan Khidmat Center, we have just gone around. It has excellent human resource and most modern gadgetries, and all public utilities, social services are all available here and can be given access within no time. We also visited their startup center. Young boys and girls really, and then also volunteers. So I think all in all, this center is one of the most modern centers I've visited around the globe, and full marks to my dear brother President Ilham Aliyev for his very thought-provoking and visionary leadership. Thank you, and I have desired, although we have such centers in Pakistan, alhamdulillah, but of this scale and of this modern technology, we would like to benefit from Azerbaijan's experience, inshallah, and I'll be very happy to have a replica of this in Islamabad. Thank you very much and well done.
Mr. Prime Minister, you have a vision of providing facilities to the people of Pakistan. Now, what experiences do we learn from this Khidmat Center?
I think, as I said, we have such centers available in Pakistan and Punjab. There are few centers and also other places. But I think what is important is that under one roof, all important entities and service delivery entities should be housed in one place, and they should be able to cater for the requirement of the common man without any inordinate delay. And this is what I've seen here today, that it is a fantastic arrangement and fantastic service. We will inshallah replicate this in Pakistan. Thank you.
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का आसान खिदमत मरकज़ का दौरा। वज़ीर आज़म जो कि इस वक्त आज़रबाईजान के दौरे पर हैं, बाकू में मौजूद हैं और वहाँ पर उनके जो मीडिया नुमाइंदगान हैं उनसे बात कर रहे थे।